Hey, this silent solution. Today we'll see when fresh Ubuntu installation must be after installation things to do because you have when any package in installation or any service in installation that time is a hamper fill. Let's go. This is my Ubuntu server. First of all, we are since our host. Uh, uh, First of all, we are updated and update. I think updated processing and upgrading processing is also running because you have must be when fresh installation must be your updated and upgraded this version. Here is you can change your settings. Go to your settings. I think our update and upgrade is done. Now we are just Now we are another command run. It is to extract all sudo apt install ubuntu restrict extract. Yeah. Now we are just okay. And yes, I think our all process is done. We are just now. Chromie is first of all. We are wget is a download and Chromie installation. The one process. I think our Chromie is installation is done. Yeah. Now we are change our host name. Systemctl host hostnamectl set host name solution here. I think bash update. Yeah. Now our hostname ctl is done. Now we are how to set up IP address. This is our IP. Now where this IP static, how to static nm to just we are editing here, but not now. Here is editing. Just we are graphically see here is settings. Networking go where manually just this IP 255.254.0 just we are gateway 1 DNS 1.1.1 comma 8.8.8 dot it is reply. Now our network setting is done. Our network setting is done. Now ping 192.162 62162.01. It is not right is a 1.1. Thing is done. Yeah, our gateway is done. Now we are going to our customer for recording. That is our terminal password. Yeah, I think customer is screen recorder software installation is done. It is Ubuntu screen recorder software. It is very necessary for our working. Now we are create one user. Now we are going to our setting option. Here is one by one network. Here is a Bluetooth. Here is a background, and here is left, right, and button and right. Search here application. Here is many calculator, necessary apps, and LibreNMS. And LibreNMS is the office applications. And users, here is the kids. Here is the two user states and defaults and date and time settings. Here we can use date and time settings. It is to our Anidex file frame. Let's go. Now we are just our settings sense again. Fineness is right and left. It is left, right, and just were updated. It is two very necessity settings for Ubuntu. Just we're going to our settings option. Where is all, and immediately you can see and these options. You can here is your location server is a here is source code your the root terminal password. Here is double p position is and close. Let's go. Finally we are done our after things to do. You can go now sudo apt install git. Just we are in installation git. It can smoothly now working and have. Now we are already create we are create user sudo add user team just password type and full name is not necessary. You can your full name now. Now we are remove our user tail team. We are already a gym user is delete. You can your use suitable user create an password sudo apt sudo passwd meme. We are just password our user. You can use secondary user because your root user not access everybody. It is to security purpose. Thanks for watching.